This video is about Duo 57, our smallest Duo. Here it is. Duo 57 has been quite a popular model lately because it gives you really the most of the Duo functionality, which is a nice living room, bathroom, small loft space. So it's perfect for renting out, having like a mountain cabin. It can fit a small family. So it's really compact, really affordable, and quick to build. Why would you buy Duo 57? It's the first and smallest of the Duo models, but offers most of functionality what Duo models offer. If you don't have the clear idea what's the difference between Duo and Trio models, we have a video about that. Check it out. So you remember Duo 57 means that it's 5.7 meters long, and you can customize it by adding dormer or two to make more open and more light in the living room. You can also add terraces, front and back. You can add Velux skylights. It's a good little A-frame. Standard Duo 57 has just 30 square meters, or roughly about 300 square feet. And it also features a little sleeping loft place. It will be fun for kids, or locking your angry grandma over there, or whatever. It's just extra space. Two good building workers will put up the structure in just 2-3 days. And I guess to finish this cabin from digging to really finishing up can be done in 4 to 6 weeks easy. If you are looking for a nice little compact but functional A-frame, Duo 57 is a good choice. If you need more space or like a permanent living house, go and watch the Trio videos.